guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to another vlog on my channel, which most of my vlogs are composed of me wearing no makeup. You know, I'm just like really real. I'm just like the real deal, you know. But yeah, so I was at a little coffee shop doing some homework, and then I was like, shoot, I should just like do some homework at home because I'm gonna have to leave soon anyways. So I'm going to bust out some more homework because then I gotta get ready for work and go to work, and then I might go out later with some gals because today is St. Patrick's Day, the day that I'm filming. So should be interesting. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up though. Yeah, do that. That'd be really cool. Hey guys, so I am kind of alive, kind of well. Yeah, I went out last night for St. Patrick's Day after I got off work, and it was so much fun. But yeah, it's like almost 1:30. I'm going to go get brunch with my mama. Yeah, so that's what my day's looking like, and I'll show you my little outfit. So this is what I got going on. Just a little t-shirt dress. It's kind of weird because it's like this, so I'm wearing spandex. And I always wear it with a flannel because it's weird how it is cut like that. But yeah, and a flannel that I got from Goodwill. Yeah, and I got some new items from ROMWE that I wanted to show you guys. So I got this plaid dress, and I'm not going to try on like right now just because I need to run out the door, but I've already tried all these on and I can just like tell you guys. And then I got these denim shorts and this like off the shoulder white top. It has like the sleeves that are detached but still like go midway, you know what I mean? So the shirt is awesome. Just need to like wear like a nude or white bra because you can see it's a little see-through, or like a white bandeau. But yeah, it's awesome, nice fabric. And then the shorts are great too, but if I like wear them all the way up on my hips, like where they like kind of naturally fall and like fit, then my butt cheeks kind of hang out. Like, but that's a problem I run into with all my shorts. Like, I have to literally create my own shorts because my butt hangs out of every single pair that I like buy. So I make my own shorts just from like Goodwill jeans, and I cut them. But yeah, these are like great quality though. They're super cute. I'm just gonna have to like pick my wedgie whenever I wear them, but I'm used to that when it comes to shorts. So what else is new? And then this plaid dress I love, but it's just not like, it just doesn't fit right. Like, it looks like it's cut like right, like kind of like an hourglass shape, but it bunches at my stomach, and then it's tight like by my thighs, like where the bottom hits. So yeah, but I still love it and it's so cute. But it fits a little funny, but I'm still gonna wear it. Meh, you know, whatever. But yeah, those are the things I got. Oh my gosh, and love of my life, Darian got me one of these homesick candles for Illinois. It smells so good. I can't wait to light it, but it's just so cute. Look at it. I forgot to like vlog a little snippet of me at brunch with my mom, and Jenny joined us. Oh, I forgot to add Jenny. But yeah, now I'm gonna go take a nap because I'm like hitting that food coma, like that tired food coma, you know? So nap time is calling me, and then I have work later. Yeah, happy Sunday. Throwback, the old room where I would make my videos.
Well, he was. Kind of freaks me out a little bit.
Got some Grey's Anatomy going on. The usual.
I feel like I don't know him. We don't.
Nap time
We don't know them.
is happening. It's happening. Eating some veggie chicken nuggets, and there was my salad in this before, so I'm not just like gross. I just wanted to use the same thing to make less dirty dishes. And yeah, watching some Grays. Yep, I'm so interested. I'm wearing a different hat because this is one of those Love Your Melon hats that my friend Kendra from Whitewater sent to me. So shout out Kendra and their little Love Your Melon crew out at UW Whitewater. But yeah, it's really comfy and my hair is dirty, but I like how it's still wavy, so yeah. But yeah, I went to brunch with Austin, got a burrito, it was pretty bomb, and now I'm just doing homework, the usual.
It was only if it was in the middle, like smack dab in the middle, then it was like small to medium.
I just got out of my class, and Teague, my friend, drove me to class because he borrowed my car, and so he's gonna pick me up too, so I don't have to walk. Yay. I am eating a kiwi. Yep. Good morning. I'm all clean and fresh. It is 9 o'clock right now, and I'm getting ready for work at 10, and I'll bring you guys along with me for that. Yeah, and then I have class, and then I have work at my other job because I have 2 jobs. Yeah. So exciting day, exciting day. Yeah. Make a time management video and just how I manage my time, because really I baffle myself all the time by how I'm able to work 2 jobs, have an internship, and good grades, and a social life. Like, I don't know how I do it. But I just wanted to show you guys. So, like, for my week here, I'll usually write out a little mini to-do list of all of these things that are due, and I'll put that like right here. I'll sticky note it right here on the inside of my laptop, so I just see it all the time, because if I don't like visually see what I have due coming up in the next week, then I'll like forget about it. I got all of my homework that I need to do this week on my little sticky note, and I'll put it on the inside of my laptop so I see it, because I do all my homework on my laptop, so I can just literally check this off as I do everything, so I make sure that I'm getting everything done for the week. Yeah, little tip. I don't know. That's just what I do, my method. But I'm definitely going to make a time management video, probably when it comes closer to finals, because I feel like it'll fit in well on that time frame. But this is just one thing that I do to manage my time. My brow pencil just ran out, and I feel incomplete. My brows are like my one thing I need to leave the house, like, filled in. So healthy. Look at all this health. Wow. I'm great. Hashtag ad. Hashtag sponsored. Hashtag.
Hashtag me!
Where's Lexi? Say hi.
Hi!
You
At
should be famous because we're
working.
now on her blog. This is my second appearance in your vlog.
Yeah.
Second, number 2.
You're an OG.
OG. What
Lexi's
Such
new.
a star. Max is such a star.
Max is a star. We in traffic.
I hate traffic.
Rush sparkling ice. Yeah,
Look at that.
sparkling ice. We got new shirts for work.
They're dope.
It says let's get physical, because we work for sparkling ice and it's fizzy and stuff. I got off work a little early and I'm freaking starving. And I saw this one vegan place. It's called the Loving Hut, and it's just like all vegan like cuisine. And I'm not vegan, I'm vegetarian. I did have a slip. I ate chicken the other night, and I paid the price because my stomach hurt very, very bad. Yeah. But I'm vegetarian, but I do eat vegan food because, like, same difference, you know, and it's even better, like, for you and the environment kind of deal, you know. So I really want to try this place out because I'm starving, and yeah, so yeah, I'll let you guys know if you live around ASU, if it's really good. You should try it out anyways, even if you're not vegan. Try new things. Dabble, you know, dabble in it.
I eat like
I'm
7
vlogging today, and I vlogged this.
Just kidding. I eat like 1 a day.
This looks really yummy. I'm gonna try the chicken. Mmm.
Is it tofu chicken?
Yeah, like something like that. So that stuff was like really good. It was about $10, which isn't that bad for like vegan food, and it was a lot of food too. Like, it's pretty good. Yeah, but right now I have a lot of like heartburn happening, so I'm just gonna relax. I have some time before my class, and I'm just gonna relax, let my heartburn settle. I took some medicine because it like really, really hurts really bad. And I'm just gonna watch some Grey's Anatomy as per usual. And if you guys are wondering, I'm in season 6 now of Grey's. I just got out of my class and I'm on my way to job number 2, but I need to get Starbucks. Sorry, the sun is like right there and I just don't know. But yeah, I'm getting Starbucks because I was like slumped in my class, literally like eyes closing, so tired. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And if you guys are wondering, I got these off Amazon, these sunglasses.
Started for you.
Could I get a venti vanilla iced coffee with coconut milk?
Venti vanilla iced coffee with coconut milk. Anything else for you?
Could I get a shot of espresso in that as well?
Absolutely.
And that's it.
Perfect. That's gonna be $4.91. I'll get the window.
Thanks. Okay guys, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry if it was a little crazy, all over the place, like my vlogs usually are. Don't even know what I'm gonna title this vlog because it was just everywhere. But thanks for hanging in there. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you next week. New videos every Wednesday. Yep. Okay, bye guys.